Guys, we're back. Got a very short review because I have no storage on my phone. And yeah, unbox a hoodie. Got a steal. Got this glow hoodie for $40 shipped. Got it on eBay. Saw it was a steal and I was like, I need it. Sweet. Bros gave me a pair of socks for some reason too. Okay. Hopefully I didn't get scammed then. Oh, what's this? Invoice? Yeah, it's just the eBay invoice. Here's the hoodie though. There she is in all her glory. There's the face. Nice, you wrapped it so it didn't get messed up. Oh, dude, look at this. It literally wrapped the whole hand so it wouldn't get messed up. That's nice. No cracking. Super good deal. Got some sparkles on it. Let's go. And a large. Steal the deal. Let's go.